Good morning and happy Sunday, everybody. Just a handful of days are left in October. November will be here before you know it. So I figured we'll start and take a look at high temperatures so far this month across the tri-state. 19 days so far in Bowling Green. The high temperature has been at or above average, so quite warm with 7 below average days. Now 5 days are left. I think we're going to add to this number for a good part of the week. In fact, we could challenge some records. I'll show you that here in just a second. Notice even over the next 6 to 10 days east of the Rockies, much of the lower 48 looks to be above average with the strongest chances, the strongest confidence in above average temperatures pretty much right over our area. Warm weather typically means drier weather. In the latest drought monitor, we're starting to get some dry conditions west of Kentucky Lake, so we do need the rainfall. This does not technically count as a drought, but you're right up to it. Unfortunately, I think this will be short-lived because we are looking at plenty of rain chances over the next several days, and even 6 to 10 days out in the tri-state. There's pretty good confidence here for us in above average precipitation. This does not include what we're going to get on Halloween, unfortunately. Now, we'll be dry today. A great day, starting out a little crisp, then warming up into the 60s and 70s before we cool right back down with plenty of clear skies by tonight. Notice as we start Futurecast, we've got this easterly, northeasterly flow. That's what's going to keep us a little bit chilly today with those temperatures stuck right about where we should be. Now by tonight and especially tomorrow morning, that flow kind of relaxes a little bit and it's more out of the east and in some spots the southeast, and it'll continue to turn around and then be out of the south by tomorrow, and that's really going to start to warm us up in a big way as we could flirt with records here. So around 70 today by this afternoon, probably right before the sun sets, we'll see temperatures really start to peak. But all of these numbers right about where we should be for this time of the year, in the upper 60s to right around 70. With the clear skies, the light winds tonight, slightly below average temperatures, we could see a little bit of valley fog in the most sheltered of valleys, so keep that in mind. But notice here, Tuesday and Wednesday, big time warm up will come with strong southerly winds. Notice here, we'll get in the area of records. I don't think we'll break them unless something crazy happens. Halloween, unfortunately, looks quite wet. Some of the models are hinting that those rain chances could linger into Friday and maybe even next weekend.